Assalamualaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Arabian Dreams. Today I'm gonna show you all how to make a simple and unique 2-in-1 sweet and snack recipe. Let's first check out the ingredients. We need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of semolina, half cup of curd, 1/4 cup of oil, that is 60 ml of oil, 1/4 cup of butter, that is also 60 ml of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder, you can even use vanilla essence if you have, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Now to 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, add half cup of semolina, then add half teaspoon of salt. In case if you're making this recipe as a snack and also a sweet like how I am doing it right now, you can add salt to it. But in case if you're only making it as a sweet recipe, you don't have to add salt to it. Now mix all the dry ingredients well. After mixing all the dry ingredients well, then add about 1/4 cup of oil to it. That is around 60 ml of oil. Now add around 60 ml of butter to it. That is around 1/4 cup. Then add half cup of curd. Adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Finally adding 1 packet of vanilla powder. If you have vanilla essence, you can use 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to it. Now mix all the ingredients well. Now start kneading the dough with your hands. Knead the dough well for about 5 to 7 minutes. You will get a soft dough after 5 minutes. Now cover and leave the dough for about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, preparing the sugar syrup. Here I have taken 1 cup of sugar. To that I am adding 1.5 cups of water. Now mix the sugar well with the water until it dissolves completely. Now adding juice of half lemon to it. Now let it boil on a medium flame until it becomes a thick syrup. Now you can see the sugar syrup has become thick, and this is how the consistency should be. For this syrup, no need of getting one string consistency. Now after 15 minutes, the dough has rested well and it has become very soft. Now knead the dough once again. Now divide the dough. Now roll out the dough into a medium sized sheet. Now using a cap of any bottle, just cut out the dough into the round shape. You can just fry them in the oil and you can have it as a snack as well. But to make it into a sweet recipe, we need to make roses. For that, just remove the excess sheet. And this is how the round shaped dough should look. It should neither be too thin nor too thick. Now to make one rose, take 4 round shaped dough and put them one above the other and gently press it so that it will stick. Now slowly roll them till the end. Now after folding them, now cut them into half. Now adjust the sides of the dough to get a rose pattern. Now you can see the dough is just looking like a rose. Now follow the same steps for the other doughs as well. Now you can see the dough is ready for frying. To a frying pan, add some oil and make sure the oil is on a medium flame. To know if your oil is ready for frying or not, just add a small piece of dough into the oil. If it stays down at the bottom, that means the oil is still not ready. But if it comes up, that means the oil is ready for frying. Now add all the handmade roses into the oil and let it fry on a medium flame. Make sure to gently press the edges of the roses while putting them into the oil so that it doesn't come out while frying, and drop them one by one carefully and keep on turning them slowly so that it fries evenly. Fry them until it becomes golden brown color. Now you can see it's golden brown in color, so just remove them from the oil. Now add the roses immediately into the sugar syrup after taking it out from the oil and mix it well and leave it in the sugar syrup for about 5 minutes. Now for preparing a snack, just add the round shaped dough into the oil directly and fry them on a medium flame. Just add one by one dough separately into the oil and do not add all the rolled out dough together into the oil, as it might stick one above the other. And then fry them evenly on a medium flame until it becomes golden brown in color. Now our 2-in-1 sweet and snack recipe is ready to be served. Hope you all loved this recipe. Do try this recipe at home. I'm sure the kids would definitely love it. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. Ingredients are given in the description box below. Please check it out. Thank you all for watching.